Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we break down the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today we're taking a closer look at the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner, an intriguing handheld device designed to tackle dust, pet hair, and allergens that often hide in places we least expect, like your mattress, couch, and even your bed. This vacuum isn't just another handheld model. It promises deep cleaning power with a combination of UVC light, ultrasonic waves, and a 500-watt motor. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. At the heart of this vacuum lies a 500-watt motor, offering a solid 15 kPa suction. For a handheld vacuum, that's pretty impressive, especially when you consider the fact that it's marketed as being perfect for mattresses and upholstery. Whether you're dealing with fine dust on your bed or stubborn pet hair on your couch, the suction strength makes it a powerful tool in your arsenal. But let's dig deeper into its performance. This vacuum brings some advanced features to the table, including UVC light technology. The UVC light is touted to eliminate up to 99.9% of harmful substances, which, for many allergy sufferers, could be a game changer. UVC light works by disrupting the DNA of dust mites and bacteria, preventing them from reproducing. But it's not just the UV light. The ultrasonic waves also add another layer of cleaning. These waves break down stubborn dirt and debris, providing a deeper clean. So whether you're cleaning your mattress or upholstery, you're getting a more thorough clean than your typical vacuum offers. Now, when it comes to filtration, this model is equipped with a HEPA filter. This is crucial, especially for anyone dealing with allergies or respiratory sensitivities. HEPA filters are designed to capture the finest particles, even dust mites and pollen. It's an essential feature if you're looking for a vacuum that can truly purify the air while cleaning. Plus, the HEPA filter is easy to clean and maintain, ensuring the vacuum doesn't lose its effectiveness over time. As for usability, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is corded, which means you don't have to worry about battery life. This can be a big advantage for anyone who wants to get a job done without waiting for their vacuum to recharge. The cord allows you to clean larger areas without interruptions, although some may find the cord a bit limiting in terms of mobility. That said, the vacuum is lightweight, making it easy to maneuver around tight spaces, especially on things like mattresses and couches. It's not a bulky, heavy-duty vacuum, so using it for extended periods doesn't become a chore. The vacuum also has a built-in safety feature. When the device is tilted or lifted, the UVC light automatically deactivates. This is an important safety consideration, especially since UVC light can be harmful to skin and eyes. It's great to see the company put in that extra effort to protect users. In real-world testing, this vacuum performs well on mattresses, lifting dust and pet hair that you wouldn't otherwise notice with your eyes. It's particularly effective at removing pet hair from soft fabrics and upholstery. On hard surfaces such as your bed frame or couch, the suction pulls up crumbs and dirt with ease. However, when it comes to deep cleaning larger carpets or stubborn dirt embedded deeply into fabrics, you might find the suction to be a bit less aggressive compared to traditional upright vacuums. The attachments included with this vacuum make it versatile. You can tackle smaller spaces and tight corners easily, but keep in mind that it's not designed for large-scale floor cleaning. It shines when you need to focus on smaller areas, such as your mattress, upholstery, or even your car interiors. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. On the positive side, the UVC light and ultrasonic technology offer a deep clean that's hard to match in other handheld vacuums. The HEPA filter ensures that even the smallest particles are captured, and the lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. Additionally, the corded feature means you don't have to worry about battery life, which is a huge plus for many. However, the fact that it's corded could be a downside for some who prefer the convenience of cordless vacuums. It's also not the most powerful vacuum for large carpeted areas, as the suction power isn't as intense as what you'd get with an upright model. When it comes to value for money, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is priced higher than typical handheld vacuums, but it offers a set of features that are geared towards specific needs: cleaning mattresses, couches, and upholstery. If you're someone who suffers from allergies or has pets that shed, this vacuum could be a worthwhile investment. But if you're just looking for a vacuum to clean larger spaces or carpets, there may be more affordable options out there that provide better suction power and versatility. Comparing this vacuum to other options in the market, there are some models that offer similar functionality, especially when you consider the UVC light and ultrasonic technology. However, most of those vacuums are much more specialized for specific tasks, whereas the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum offers a good balance between deep cleaning for smaller spaces and daily maintenance. For example, if you're looking for a more powerful, all-around vacuum that works well on a range of surfaces, you might consider models from brands like Black & Decker or Dyson, which offer corded and cordless options with greater suction power for larger areas. In terms of build quality, the Jimmy Mattress Vacuum feels sturdy, but it's made from lightweight materials. So while it's durable, it doesn't feel overly heavy or cumbersome. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the filter system is simple to maintain, which is a bonus for anyone who doesn't want to deal with complex cleaning routines. When it comes to customer support, Jimmy has a solid reputation for after-sales service. Though, as with most brands, it's always good to check recent reviews to see how they've been handling customer queries for this specific model. As of now, there haven't been any widespread reports of issues, but that's something to keep an eye on in the future. The Jimmy Mattress Vacuum Cleaner is a solid choice for those in need of a specialized vacuum for their mattresses, couches, and other upholstery. The combination of UVC light, ultrasonic technology, and HEPA filtration makes it a top contender for those looking for an effective and deep clean. While it may not be the best option for large carpeted areas or extensive floor cleaning, it excels in smaller spaces where it shines in pet hair and fine dust removal. If you suffer from allergies or need to maintain a healthier home environment, this vacuum is definitely worth considering. However, if you're looking for an all-around powerhouse, you might want to look at other models. If you're interested in this model, be sure to check out the link in the comments box for more details. And feel free to share your thoughts or questions if you already own the vacuum. Thanks for tuning in to Reviewsinside TV, and don't forget to clean up your act next time. Goodbye till next time!